Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our 这个 SAT 和 SSAT Elementary Level 的第4节课。OK， 好，小朋友们，如果对这个课程觉得看起来还挺有意思的，那我希望你们呢可以继续好好的学下去。OK，so welcome back, Ping Ping. So today we have already learned the multiplication has more power. The bracket has a secret. The secret is has more power than multiplication, right? And we understand what is the truth about the multiplication. So we have told you a lot of tricks about if you see some questions, it is very complicated and you don't know how to do it, you still have the ability to try to solve it yourself. Okay, so today we're going to learn something is called even cooler. Okay, let's take a look at this one, the distributive property. So let's take a look at the first question. So in our first sentence, let's take a look at this one. So equation is 6 times 3 plus 4 times 3. So because for the first class, we have already learned that 6 plus 3 is 6, 3 groups of 6. 对不对？这里有个6, 这里有个6, 这里有个6. So 3 group of 6. So 4 times 3 equals 3 groups of 4. So if I plus them together, how many groups is? So obviously, it is 3 groups of 6 plus 4 equals, yes. So it is 6 plus 4 times 3 equals 10 times 3 equals 30. Okay, so the same thing is here because 4 times 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4 plus together. 6 times 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6 plus together. So I can just use 4 plus 6.
4 plus 6 times times 5, which would equal to 50.
Very good. Okay, so this one is the same thing. 4 times 3 and 6 times 3, it's 4 plus 6 times 3. Okay, so if you understand the distributive property, let's take a look at this one. So if we have 4 times 5 plus 6 times 5, we have 4 plus 6 times 5 equals 10 times 5. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. So 6 times 3 plus 4 times 3 equals
6 plus 4 times
3 equals 10 times 3. Okay, so 2 times 7 plus 2 times 3, that's the same thing. We can put 2 times out. So
and then 7 plus 3
equals 2 times 10. Right? So let's take a look at the next one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to take a pause and you try yourself.
Don't forget the brackets.
Okay, so now, Ping Ping, could you tell me the next 4 questions, how to do it?
1 plus 9 brackets times 8.
So it's 10 times 8.
Times 8, which equals to 80. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0.
So 4 times 5 minus 4 times 5.
Times 5, which also equals 0. So this is 2 plus 8 brackets times 4, which equals to 40. 3 minus 2 brackets times 7, which equals to 7.
3 minus 2 equals what?
1.
So 1 times 7 equals what?
Equals 7.
Yeah, so 你刚才说 2 sevens.
No, I said 1 7.
Okay, I hope
I said 1 7. This is unfair.
Okay, let's take a look at the next question, sets of the question, okay? Everybody, if you want to, let's take a pause and take a look. Okay, so Ping Ping, do you want to try the first question?
So it's 8 minus 6 equals 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 11 minus 9 equals 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. 14 minus 4 equals 10. So 10 times 5 equals 50. 12 minus 8 equals 4. 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 17 minus 7 equals 10. 10 times 3 equals 30.
Very good. Good job, Peng Peng. You did very good. Okay? So everybody, when you are doing something like that, it looks very complicated.
Yeah.
If we're using the power of the multiplication first, so you have to times 3 times 17 first equals 51. Then 3 times 7 equals 21. So 51 minus 21 equals 30. So it's very complicated. But instead, you take a look at this one. You have time 3 times, and 17 minus 7 equals 10. So 3 times 10 equals 30.
That's like a 2 second, and then the other one is like a minute.
Yes. Okay, so let's take a look at the last one. So last question will be the yellow one. Yellow one is a little bit tricky, right? So let's take a look at this one. So 5 times 4 plus 3 times 5. It looks there's nothing in common, but if you put as 5 times 4 plus 5 times 3, because when you have time, they have the same power. You can use
it doesn't matter.
3 times 5 and 5 times 3, they are equals to each other.
The same.
So we have 5 times, 5 times. So 5 times
7, 4 plus 3, which equals to 5 times 7, which equals to
35.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 2, 3, 5 these questions. If you want to, I want you to take
2,
a
3,
pause
4, no.
and you can try to do yourself. Okay, so Pen Pen, do you want to try number 2 yourself? Rewrite it, then you do something.
So it's 2 times 3 plus 5 times 3.
So 2 times 3 plus 3 times 5. So you put 2 times 3 plus 5 times 3, right? Very good.
So it's 2 plus 5 brackets times 3, which equals to 7 times 3, which equals to 21.
Very good. Okay, so next one.
6 times 3 minus 3 times
4 times 3. 4 times 3. Yeah.
No, I changed it already.
It's this one's the same. It's times 3 times 3. Right? So all we need to do is 6 minus 4 bracket
times 3, which would equal to 2 times 3, which is 6.
Last one is going to be, there are 3 times.
Oh, I know. 12 minus 2 minus 8 times 4.
So it is 4 times 12 minus 2 minus 8 equals 4.
Which would equal to 4 times 2, which equals to 8.
Very good. Okay, so Pen Pen, thank you for helping me to do all the things, because the distributive property, you know that actually it is helping us to do the multiplication easier or make it harder.
Easier.
Okay, very good. So remember, the math is a science of saving time. Okay, if you can do something within 20 seconds, don't use 2 minutes to do that. If you can use 2 minutes to do that, don't waste your 20 minutes on the same quantity of mathematician questions. So the quicker you can do it, the better you are. Correct, Peng Peng? Okay, so everybody, hope you enjoyed today's class, and we're going to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.